right, you mark, get set, go. Oh, yeah! Did you see that? All right, so check this out. We got the volcano versus the tornado, and I got the monster truck tires on my tornado to make it look like a truggy. Look at that. Look at that action. Yeah. Let's do a whole turnaround action here so we can check it out. And then we're gonna take it for a spin. All right, you mark, get set, go. Oh, yeah! Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh! Oh, it's already tearing up my. Look at. I can't turn that fast. Oh, it's eating it. So it's eating right there, dude. Why is this side all? Why is it all crooked, dude? This. Where's yours at? Wait. Mine sounds weird, dude. Woo. Look at that, dude. Look at that. Oh, that hurts. Let's try it again. Ready? Woo. Okay, so it looks like we got some. It's hitting here somehow. I'm gonna have to cut that right there. How far though? Ooh, right there. Boom, right there. Ooh, boom, right there. Oh, that wire's hanging right there too, dude. Huh. I need to put some more. What's going on? Like stutters, dude. Hey, why are you hitting me, dude? Oh, something's wrong with mine, dude. I don't know, mine's acting weird, dude. It's acting weird. I don't know, it's acting weird. I don't know what's wrong with mine. Why are you running into me for? Look. Mine's already dead. No, it's already dead. I don't know. Mine's already dead. Well, that's all she wrote.